Hi, I'm Galit,
And I'm Shai.
and we would like to invite you to a couples workshop based on the way of counsel, flesh and spirit.
Which enables us to work together, live together, grow 3 kids together, and enjoy the time together.
For the last 25 years, if somebody would have told me that 20 years ago, I would say it's impossible. And this way of flesh and spirit, and the third, allows us to love each other, be in compassion, and non-judgmental most of the time.
So we hope to see you on June or in September in our workshop in Germany.
This year. See you soon.